Welcome back. The S&P is up about 1%, and time to answer your questions with a good one for Stephanie Link from Judy in Indiana. This is a good one. I own United Rentals, but I'm running at a loss. They report Wednesday after the close. Should I sell? Should I sell it now or hold it through the earnings?
Well, I think the rumor is that they're going to lower CapEx. That's what the expectations are, just given the sluggishness in the U.S. economy. So that would not be a big surprise, but the stock has a lot of beta to it, so I think it probably pulls back on that news. I'm actually inclined to buy it, actually, on the weakness. It's trading 8 times earnings, a free cash flow yield of 6%, and it's really lagged its peers year to date. So I wouldn't buy any today. I would actually buy on the weakness tomorrow.
Okay, good stuff. Joe, for you, from Rick in Montville, New Jersey, Atlassian, you never ever talk about it. Hold or sell?
Probably should talk about it more. Australian company. It's a company that I think you want to buy.
Up 45% year to date.
Up 400% over the last 3 years. Average revenue growth during those 3 years is 40%. They report earnings October 17th. I think it's going to be a solid quarter. Enterprise software, they're in the sweet spot. And I'm wrong. I should talk about this name more.
Okay. Jimmy, for you, from Trish in New Jersey, General Motors, you still positive on GM, and why?
Hi, Trish. Yes, I am. 2 reasons. One, the expectations of a global economic pickup next year if trade tensions ease. And then also the increasing valuation of the Cruise automotive vehicle unit. But I do want to point out, obviously, they're in a strike right now. And this is a major test of Mary Barra, who has been a phenomenal CEO with what she's done so far. She cannot give in. I'm not saying that labor needs to be steamrolled. I'm not saying that labor doesn't deserve more shares. But if we go back to what was 20 years ago, where labor just kept taking and management kept giving and kept giving, you'll find GM in a bad place. So the outcome of this negotiation is crucial to what comes next for GM.
Okay, lastly, John from John in Ohio. Pinterest, is it a buy with a lockup ending?
I think it is. And here's why, Scott. 3 months ago, it peaked and it's traded down. This IPO has traded down about 37% since that peak. And anytime I see a stock bleed off that much into a lockup, it's usually folks that are trying to get ahead of it, Scott. And they're trying to game that, thinking that when people can finally get out of that lockup and sell, these folks will be buying back much cheaper. Now, if they violate the greater pig theory, which is they stay too long on that short, I think they'll be chasing this one back up. So Dan Loeb did a nice job trading this one earlier this year. I would not be short it down here at 23, 24 bucks.